Session to lower the jaw. Session to lower the how about you? O'Neil.
With our leader, the chairman of the party, and some members of the National Working Committee, we discussed some of the issues relating to our party, some existential issues, of course, that have been around in the media within us, so that we'll be able to navigate smoothly the next that is scheduled to take place on the 27th of this month, and by August we will have an early convention. So many issues and frank calls have been made, and it is an opportunity to close land and to make sure that at least there is no incidents, there are no plans, there are no misgivings between the leaders of the party. Governors of the party have reached out to our colleagues who have been there before, who have more experience, and who know so much in the way and manner that whatever suggestions or opinions they may have will go a long way in giving an added impetus to the actualization of our NEC and our convention that is scheduled to take on specific days. And of course, to reassure our teaming supporters that the PDP is working, the PDP is united, and in doing so, there are some missing gaps here and there. We set up a committee of 7 headed by His Excellency, the former Senate President, and of course, former Governor of Kwara State, to meet so that at least quick reconciliation and reach out will be made in such a manner that we will have a very rancor-free and harmonious NEC and convention. Thank you very much.
Excellency, question please. Well done. Yes, we have seen members of the party dumping the umbrella for the ruling All Progressive Congress. What do you think of this statement?
Well, this is some of the manifestations in a democratic setup like this that we have, and this is what is forcing us to come together, rather than diminishing us and weakening us, is making us stronger. We will make sure at least those chapters where we have history, where we have structure, are not left alone. They will be able to produce next governors of the PDP by the grace of God, because we will be providing the level playing field in the next convention that is coming up.
We understand that there are quite a lot of issues that are affecting the PDP, causing crisis within the party. In specific terms, what are the issues discussed in this meeting?
I cannot tell you some of the issues that we discussed. We discussed unity. Definitely there are some ill feelings, and we are not those that hide things under the carpet. You know some of them. Some of the litigations in court, some of the misgivings between party members, and of course, we wouldn't want to blame the APC for causing crisis. but they are likely to be the ones. We are not saying they are the ones.